Hi everybody, welcome to, what week are we in? Week 6. So, I'm going to ask you this week, moving along towards your final project, to submit your thesis statement and an annotated bibliography. So, we have some resources in the class, the online class, about how to do that. You read about some last week. There may be others at the library or others online that you have used. Again, you can meet with other people to discuss. We've got a date on the calendar for the entire class to get together to share some of these experiences. So, Journal 3 assignment is to submit your thesis and annotated bibliography with at least 10 sources that could be used in your paper. So again, try to get this done this week. If you don't, try to get it done soon so that you are moving toward getting that final paper online. If you need a few extra days, you've got some things going on this week, that's okay too. You can turn it in a little bit later. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week.